Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming in watching this episode. This episode is going to be pretty cool. I got a job offer. Well, actually I got this job offer when I first got to Kelowna. If any of you have actually watched my previous videos when I was first getting the van and starting to do things with the van, the guy that sold me the van works at a place that does deliveries of the 5-ton. They offered me a job and then it didn't end up going through for some reason. And they didn't call me, and then 3 days ago they sent me a text and they were like, hey man, are you still in Kelowna? We might have some work coming up for you soon, da-da-da-da. So I was like, yeah, for sure, I'm always down for work. So they texted me last night at 6 p.m. and asked me if I wanted to go to Vancouver. So I thought about it for about 10 minutes and I said, yeah, you know what, screw it, let's do it. Even though Vancouver just got the worst snowstorm in 70 years and traffic is probably absolutely terrible, and that Coquihalla is probably really bad. I've only driven the Coquihalla like 2, 3, maybe 4 times in my life, like in the past since I've been here. Never in a snowstorm and never in a 5-ton. So we're gonna see how that goes. But I am a pretty good driver, a really good driver, honestly. I've driven lots of heavy vehicles. I own my own tow trucks. I still own a skid steer in Manitoba, and I used to drive trailers or haul trailers around all the time with dump truck and stuff like that. So I am a good driver. I'm just gonna take it slow, obviously, make sure nothing happens that I'm hoping isn't. I'm hoping this truck has good tires and good headlights, because I'm gonna be leaving. They told me to be there at about 3 p.m. so I'm guessing I'm gonna be leaving around 4-ish p.m. maybe a little earlier. But either way, even if I were to leave at 3 p.m. I'm probably still only gonna be back at around 1 or 2 p.m. So, or sorry, 1 or 2 a.m. So it's gonna be all night driving the whole time. So I'm hoping this truck has really good headlights and good tires, and that a snowstorm doesn't hit and I need to put tire chains on, because I've never put tire chains on before either. But I think I could figure that out pretty easily. I kind of know. So yeah, I don't know. It's going to be a pretty fun little adventure today. I'm super excited for this new little journey. I hope this job kind of sticks through for a little bit and gives me some extra money every now and then. And I get paid to travel. They say they go to Calgary lots and Kamloops and Banff and lots of places. So I'm really excited for that. Hopefully I get some nice long trips like that. They said on longer trips, they even pay for a hotel. I'm sitting here thinking, just give me the money for the hotel and I'll sleep in the truck. I'm used to sleeping in vehicles. I gotta check my bacon. So this is another, like any of my videos are planned, a totally unplanned video, like kind of always. But this one's gonna be extra unplanned because I have no clue what's gonna happen. I don't even know what I'm doing today. All I know is I'm going to get the truck. I'm going to 2 locations in Vancouver that are right up the street from each other and coming back. Sounds pretty easy. It's 4 hours, 4.5 hours there, 4.5 hours back. A lot of my friends are saying I'm crazy saying that. It should only be 3 hours, but 4.5 there, 4.5 back. So that's 9 hours right there. About half an hour I'm gonna assume to load at each place maybe. So about 10 hours. So could be an opportunity to make some pretty good money. I'm super excited, and I'm gonna take you guys along on this little trip to Vancouver. Hopefully I see something cool. Alright, well, here I go, starting my adventure. This is the big rig that I'm driving today. So excited to start this. I hope this is a more regular thing. As I'm thinking, I'd give you guys a bit of an update. I stopped here to let Clutch go to the bathroom. We're only about an hour in, but it's getting dark, so I wanted to let Clutch go to the bathroom and check the trunk over. It's making a little bit of a weird noise, and a couple people flash their lights in these for some reason. So I just want to check the truck over. Truck seems perfectly fine. So I'm gonna keep going on my way to Vancouver. This truck is super nice. I love it. Clutch loves it. Lots of room in here. Lights are nice and bright. Super comfy to drive. Hello, Tyler. So I'm actually going to bring 2 skids of apples to Abbotsford, and then I'm picking up 1 there, and then I'm going into Vancouver and picking up 2 skids there, and then coming back to Kelowna. So we'll see how long all of that takes. I'm gonna get going so I don't waste any more time. We'll see you guys later. Also, another thing, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but there's a van or a bus. There's a bus parked there, and I just want to give a shout out to you guys. In the wintertime, do not park or sleep in chain off areas. Semis don't have many areas to stop, especially in the winter, and you shouldn't be sleeping in chain off areas. There's lots of rest areas you can go to if you're in a car or a van or a bus or an RV or whatever. You should not be sleeping in chain off areas, which is what I'm in right now, and this guy is up here sleeping. So yeah, like I said, I'm not trying to be rude with that at all, and I know it's hard to find sleeping areas sometimes, but it's also hard for big trucks to find areas to chain off and chain on and look over their trucks and stuff like that, and they want to do it as safely as possible without people there, you know. And sometimes if there's too many people sleeping, they don't even have enough room to stop. So I'm gonna get going though, because Clutch is whining, and he just does that whenever we're stopped. He's such like so impatient. Okay, I'll see you guys probably in Abbotsford. Just dropped off my 2 loads of apples and picked up a load of whatever else. I think it's potatoes. And now I'm on my way to Vancouver to pick up 2 more loads of something else, and then I'm heading back to Kelowna. I'm so happy with this. This is awesome. Yeah. Vancouver's so beautiful. Even with the random lights floating in the sky. I'm definitely in Vancouver now. I'm gonna start using my GoPro because it's a lot easier to use. Clutch is chilling. I'm on Hastings, so we'll see if the tents are still set up here or not. When I was first here, when I first came to BC, I can't even remember when that was now. August? Yeah, late August. There was just Tent City, like literally stacks on stacks of tents. So hopefully it's not Tent City right now, because people would be freezing to death, man. It's freaking chilly over here still. Well, I'm officially in Vancouver now. I'm getting loaded up. I'm so excited. This was a really cool first run. I'm so excited. I've talked to the boss already, told him I want to do this more often. So he's like, we'll get you on the team. We'll have to sit down and have a talk this weekend. So, hell yeah. I'm officially loaded. Truck is right loaded to the teats, and yeah, I'm gonna go stop and get food, and then I'm on my way back to Kelowna. I'm so excited if you can't tell already.
Wasted time, you held it in, you're sorry for the line. You wanted me to say something I don't believe. You're shying away, your dreams, you're hoping that LA will find a way to give you what I couldn't say. Pray for me, you think it might change things. You wanted me to follow roads I couldn't see, and it would be just you and me. Just you
didn't care, you pack away your things, you're hoping that someday I'll find a way to give you what I couldn't say. You pray for me, you think it might change things. You wanted me to follow the roads I couldn't see, and it would be just you and me.
But you lost me, not chasing you anymore. Tell me, did you love me? What you thought we could be, maybe nothing more. But I refuse to be your muse. I'm not changing for you.
Look at all the smart trucks going to sleep. Oh yeah, Clutch, you want to be in the video, eh? All the smart trucks going to sleep because they don't want to drive the Coca-Cola at night. Then there's me taking on the job to go and leave at 4 p.m., 5 p.m. knowing I'm going to be on the road till 3, 4 a.m. That's okay with me. Honestly, I'm loving it. I just freaking picked up a 5-hour energy because I was feeling a little bit tired. And now I feel like I have a whole crap load of energy. But don't worry, if I know if I start feeling too tired, I pull over in the next rest area and then I kind of take a little bit of nap. I'm smart, I'm not stupid, guys. I know how long hauling goes, so I'll see you in the next clip, wherever that is. Just a sheet of ice again. This is crazy. I only have my hazards on, by the way, because I'm going slow as hell because I'm loaded right up and I'm going uphill, so I got no power. I'm just putting along here. Yeah, but that's okay. I don't know if I'd want to go any faster on these roads right now. It's hard to tell, but that's like ice. This is all ice. I can see it glistening. So, pretty crazy. I'm about an hour away from home now, so drop the truck off, go back. It's like I'll probably get back to the van at about 5 a.m. I'll probably get back to the Taurus in the parking lot around 4:30. Maybe a little later if I have to go 60 all the way. I'm back. It's like 5 a.m. and I am tired. I'll see you guys back in the van. Well, I did not end up recording anything when I got back to the van because I was obviously just so tired. So I'm just going to throw in this clip of me writing more names on the roof of my van. And remember, if you want your name on the roof of the van, all you need to do is subscribe. I'm writing the names of my first 1,000 subscribers on the roof of my van. Make sure who you're subscribed to is public so I can see, or just comment on one of my videos. Even if I'm over 1,000, please subscribe, guys, if you like my content, like my videos, comment, interact, and thank you guys for watching this video as well. As always, I love you all. Have a good one, and stay safe out there. I love you. I don't know what to say.